It's been 25 years. 25 years of happiness, laughter, sadness, and achievements accomplished. A lot of things changed. Things came and went. Viruses that tried to drive us apart. But one thing remained unchanged. Our promise to you. We have been consistent in delivering excellence and delivering exceptional service. It's been 25 years. From 2 employees and one small store to over 7 stores across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We have come far. From Vishal Peripherals to you, a very happy new year.